Guangzhou Blue Sea Lighting Company Limited is specialized in stage lighting manufacturing. Our company is located in Huadu District, Guangzhou City, with convenient transportation access of 10 minutes driving to the Guangzhou Baiyun Airport. Our factory is equipped with experienced R&D team, strict QA system, and professional sales and service team, which will make sure your request met and satisfied. Also, we have various kinds of stage lights set in the showroom for you to choose. Our main products are LED profile studio light, moving head light, LED moving head, LED par light, LED wall washer, LED dance floor, etc. All of them have been granted the certification of CE, ROHS, and FCC. We have our own brand, NWIITC, and also welcome OEM and ODM orders. We got high reputation from domestic and foreign clients as satisfied quality and service, thus set up long-term business relationship and become good business partners with them. Export sales accounts for 90% of the total sales volume. Currently, we are cooperating with customers mainly from North Europe and America. High quality, integrity, innovation, and win-win is our business core. Our aim is to offer best service and products with excellent quality to satisfy every one of our clients. Looking forward to work with you in the near future and grow up together.